How to join a community on X Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to join a community on X Twitter. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the Twitter account or your X account and just simply log in with your details. And after that, just simply click on the profile icon from the left hand side corner of the screen, and over here you have this option which says communities. Just simply tap on it, and now you can see on the top menu you have different options like sports, technology, art, entertainment, gaming, politics, business, culture, science, food, animal, and so many other options. Now, if you want to search anything, you can go to the search bar and search for, let's say, a gaming community. And then you will have all the different, gaming community over here. And after that, just simply tap on that particular community post or community that you would want to join. And over here, you have this option which says join. You just simply have to tap on it and agree the terms and policies of this particular community. And once you agree with the policies or the rules of this particular community, just simply go ahead and click on agree and join. And now you can see that welcome to Twitter Gaming. Now the community that you have joined is part of the your feed. Now you'll get all the information and the updates regarding this community in your feed right away. So this is basically how you will be able to join a community on X Twitter. I hope you find this video to be helpful.